Miles below the surface, the unmapped ocean floor stretches endlessly, a hidden world of ridges, valleys, and trenches, yet untouched by exploration. Here, in the cold and crushing dark, life has taken on extraordinary forms. Giant tube worms that feed on chemical-rich waters, ghostly fish with translucent bodies, and shrimp-like creatures that cluster around hydrothermal vents for warmth. Many of these organisms are uniquely adapted to survive without sunlight, drawing energy from Earth's mineral-rich crust. Each discovery in these depths unveils a new piece of a vast, intricate ecosystem that has existed in isolation for millions of years.